Jamie and the rest of the MLAs have just gone in. We expect to hear the bells ringing shortly for the vote. Boo. There will be no bells. All right, there'll be no bells. More covert action on the part of the government here.
Howard!
What's that?
Howard!
This is not the only shady politics we see from this government, but we're not going to go out quietly. So we're going to start. We're going to do this chant in honor of Drew Moore. Drew is he teaches in Colchester, East Hants. This is one that he taught us, so this goes out to Drew. So it's going to go like this. We're going to say, we're going to beat back McNeil's attack. We're going to beat back McNeil's attack. We're going to beat back McNeil's attack. We're going to beat back.